Hey guys, Lou here, Tiny Mountain Houses. You know what I'm getting ready to do, right? Show you a recent build. This is a Castle Peak that we've done some customizations to for this particular homeowner. We've stretched this house to 28 feet. And if you look at it, you'll notice, one of the things we normally do is do 80-inch windows here, just left of the front door. We've done one window there and made it a little wider. She's going to be placing a bunch of artwork inside, so she needed a little bit more wall space than we normally provide. The other thing we did here is we eliminated the primary loft. So in doing so, it left us a lot of wall space up here. So we added 80-inch windows into this space, which is our flex room. We've got an entertainment center inside there. I want to show you that in just a second. You see our standard metal accent out here. Done some really cool porch lights, don't you think? Kind of industrial look. Anyway, let's go inside and take a peek. It's beautiful inside. Hey guys, check it out. First thing I want to point out in here is that huge walk-in refrigerator. Well, maybe not walk-in, but it's pretty big. French door, probably the biggest refrigerator that we've put in a tiny house so far. She wanted a lot of storage in here, and she got it. As you go up, in fact, I'm gonna just look up above here. We had a little curio cabinet that's at the end of what's actually the only loft in this house now. So additional storage, a little privacy area if you turn that into a sleeping area. But as you look at this kitchen, check this out. Tall cabinets, extended countertop. I mean, a lot of room in here. We did a custom color, a little lighter gray than you might have seen from us in the past. And of course, the tall overheads, adjustable shelving, soft close. I'm gonna walk over here and we'll see if Nick can get a shot. Washer dryer built in, one of the single unit guys. We've got underneath here, the water heater's down there, but we've also added a little area for a step stool, little hanging brackets there for it. Stainless steel dishwasher. Look at the size of this sink. 30-inch single bowl, rectangular composite sink. We've got the commercial faucet here. One of the other things we did, a little bit smaller window above the sink than normal. Instead of the 80, we did this 40-inch window. These countertops are quartz, and I believe this is Trevi. We've got a stainless steel microwave, which also serves as a range hood to exhaust from your cooking area. The 3-burner stainless accent range. These are cast iron grates. The cool blue lights that I talk about all the time, I think is pretty cool. I talked about the soft close, cabinet doors, drawers, nice feature. So anyway, we've made the kitchen bigger, a lot of counter space, basically, based on what the customer wanted. So I think it turned out nicely. I'm gonna have Nick turn a little bit, and you take a look at this butcher block fold-down table. So we've done a Murphy table, nice contours on it. I think it's a beautiful combination of colors. I think it ties in very well with the remainder of the house. I'm gonna walk back here and have you take a look at the entertainment center here. We've added a custom-built entertainment center for a huge TV. If I had one that would put in there, we would. The ones I've got are a little bitty, it'd look really funny. But anyway, I'm sure you can imagine what that would look like. Notice the space above. Now this is, once again, an area where this particular buyer wanted to add her own artwork to. So no windows are there, a lot of open space, so she can do exactly that. We've got the 80-inch windows flanking both sides here. So really cool, nice space. If you got to look at it, I know Nick pointed out or can focus in on the light fixtures. So we've taken out our standard sconces that are more of a contemporary look and added something a little more industrial in here. It kind of ties in with the outside lights that you saw a minute ago. Nice look, isn't it? And in fact, if you look at the ladder, if Nick can focus in on that for just a second, even the hardware for the ladder, we kind of modified that and turned it into more of an industrial look as well versus our contemporary that we do in most of the builds. So pretty cool feature there. I want to continue on the other side of the refrigerator and point out, we built these custom spice pull-out racks in here for a significant amount of additional storage back inside this little narrow space. I think that turned out pretty cool too. I don't know if Nick can get a shot of what we did with the entry cabinet. It usually faces toward where the ladder was, so we turned it. Now it's facing the refrigerator. Nice deep storage in here. Pot and pan, huge drawers, two of them below. A lot of space in here, guys, a lot. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom here. Of course, as we do a lot of times, we separate it with a pocket door in here. Great use of space, but you gotta take a look at this freestanding bathtub. Look at that thing. It's acrylic. You don't want to do anything else. I mean, it gets too heavy. But nice look in here. Look at the faucet assembly. It's a floor mount. That little wand you see on the left-hand side of the gooseneck there is the shower head, so that just comes loose and you clean yourself off with that. We did a custom-made shower curtain holder, so it follows the shape of the tub right above it. One of the other things we did in this bathroom, we did smooth walls. Once again, I talked to you about what this particular buyer wants to do and add artwork. She wants to do some custom stuff inside this bathroom, so she didn't want the standard beadboard. Look at that sink, pedestal sink, vessel sink. Look at the faucet. Continued the subway tile that we had in the kitchen in here, medicine cabinet. We've got a linen cabinet to the right of it, 4-door, adjustable shelves inside there as well. And you've got the storage underneath the sink too. So really cool bathroom, vents in the ceiling. We've got the LED lighting in the ceiling. I think it really turned out just fantastic. Beautiful look. So with that, let's go out and take a look at the loft space that we do have. So here we are taking a look at the loft. Now this is a little bit under 7 feet by 8. We left it open. It could be a bedroom, whatever you want to make of it. Notice the fixtures again. We continue that industrial look throughout this area. As always, any sleeping area has egress windows so you can escape in the event of an emergency. Those are our standard 3 windows that go into pretty much all of our lofts. And then we've got that cabinet at the end there. She wanted it facing the kitchen area as opposed to the loft area because she wanted the additional storage for miscellaneous items. I think it turned out well. But that's the build, guys. I mean, this is a beautiful Castle Peak. So here we go, guys. Recap. Castle Peak, 28 foot. Eliminated one of the lofts. Changed the windows out for a little more wall space in here. Extended the cabinets, more countertop space. Nice, functional, large, contemporary sink in here. Dishwasher, washer dryer. The propane range with the cool blue lights. Really nice cabinet finish in here with a kind of a lighter gray. We've got a microwave range hood in here. The huge refrigerator. Very functional kitchen. I think it turned out just fantastic. I know I didn't mention the mini split in this house. We've got an on-demand tankless water heating system for endless hot water, and that does run on propane. We've got the fold-down Murphy table in here, and just an overall beautiful tiny house, in my opinion. But once again, I say this all the time, guys. Tiny mountain houses. We want to build what you want. We want to make sure that your tiny house fits your needs, and that's what I think we've done a pretty good job of with this particular build. If you like what you see here and you're thinking about buying a tiny house, hey, reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you about how we can meet your needs. Just another example of what we've done right here. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for checking us out. Bye now.